As an ILTA member, you have access to over 60 online communities. When you click an online community, you'll be taken to the community homepage, where you'll see a number of tabs at the top of the screen. The community homepage will show you the latest discussions, as well as the latest files shared by other ILTA members. One resource that ILTA members find extremely helpful is the Tip of the Week. This is shared by 2 to 3 volunteers on a weekly basis, identifying different tips and tricks that they might consider sharing with people within their own organization. An example of a recent tip shared might look something like this, where either a video with instructions and screenshots or a file is uploaded that includes a downloadable PDF that you might distribute within your own organization. Within the online community home, you can see how many discussions have occurred, associated files that might be uploaded by ILTA or other ILTA members, as well as blogs and the number of members that are opted into the online communities. When you click on the discussion home, you'll see a screen that looks like this, where you can see the number of replies, who posted the original thread, as well as those that may have commented and how recently. Oftentimes, you might see a number of replies listed next to the thread. Don't be discouraged if you see a low number of responses. This might mean that individual members are responding directly to the individual poster. If you see a topic posted that you might be interested in, you may consider replying all and sharing that you are also interested in finding a solution. This will inform individuals that may have responded directly to the original posters that others are interested in learning as well, which might encourage them to reply all. An example of a thread might look something like this. An individual might share a challenge or an idea, and other ILTA members will post responses and solutions that the individual might consider. Oftentimes, what you might see is within the online communities is organic meetups occurring based on a shared interest. As you can see in this thread, a number of folks had an interest in the same topic, so much so it was proposed by one of the community members that everyone that is interested meet up for a roundtable to discuss the issue at hand. This is a great way to get to know your fellow community members and establish some meaningful connections. If you're not quite sure where to start, you might consider joining the general membership community. This is a great place to post questions that may not have a home elsewhere. To get started, browse the online communities and post your first message when you're ready.